Max Goes to the Nature Center by Adria F. Klein. Illustrated by Myrnie Gallagher Cole. Zoe is going to the nature center. She asks Max to go with her. At the nature center, a sign has information about the animals. The sign shows the colors and sizes of the animals. It shows how different animals live. Max and Zoe go to see the snakes. They see snakes of many colors. They see snakes of different sizes. The snakes are in many glass cages. Max and Zoe see nests and holes where the snakes live. They even see skin that the snakes have shed. Max and Zoe go to see the birds. The birds are in a big cage. Max and Zoe can go into the cage to see the different birds. They see birds of many colors. They see birds of different sizes. They see many nests where the birds live. They see 5 bird eggs and lots of feathers. Max and Zoe go to the activity center. Max makes a paper snake. Zoe makes a nest. Max and Zoe want to see the butterflies, but it is too late. It is time to go home. Outside, Max and Zoe see butterflies everywhere. Max and Zoe had fun at the nature center.